Unlocking the secrets: single roof versus double roof. When it comes to designing a home, the roof is one of the most essential elements. It's not just a structural component, it's the very symbol of shelter and protection. Today, we'll explore the types of roofs, their classifications, and why choosing the right one is crucial for your home. Hello and welcome to Gharpedia. Let's head to knowing all about roofs, but with a focus on pitched roofs and their types. That is, single and double roofs. Roofs are broadly classified into two main types: flat roofs, pitched roofs. While flat roofs are commonly used for modern designs and are easier to construct, pitched roofs with their characteristic slopes are ideal for weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. Let's take a closer look at pitched roofs and their two primary types: single roofs and double roofs. Single roofs, a simplistic design. A single roof is defined as a roof with one slope on each side of a central ridge, or in some cases, a single slope without a ridge. This straightforward design is simple to construct, making it popular for small spans. In a single roof, each rafter is supported at two critical points: at the bottom on the wall plate and at the top by the ridge. Limitations of single roofs. While simple and cost-effective, single roofs have their limitations. They are best suited for smaller spans. Additionally, if the rafters aren't tied together with a joist or binder, the weight of the roof can push walls outward, leading to structural failure. Because of these challenges, single roofs are rarely used for larger structures. Forms of single roofs. Single roofs come in various forms, each with unique characteristics. Lean-to roof. A single slope roof that adjoins a wall or building. It's simple and often used for sheds or extensions. Couple roof. This roof consists of two rafters leaning against each other and tied at the top. Couple close roof. Similar to a couple roof, the rafters are joined by a horizontal tie beam for added stability. Collar beam roof. In this type, a horizontal beam called the collar beam connects two opposite rafters. This design increases strength and reduces outward thrust on walls. Double roofs. Strength through support. For larger spans, double roofs are the preferred choice. In this design, rafters are supported at 3 points: at the bottom on the wall plate, at the top by the ridge, in the center by a purlin. Purlins are horizontal beams placed under the rafters. They reduce the size of the rafters required and make the structure more economical. Double roofs are more complex than single roofs but offer greater stability and durability. They are especially useful for large buildings or homes in areas prone to heavy loads such as snow or strong winds. Why pitched roofs? Pitched roofs are particularly advantageous in regions with heavy rainfall or snow. The slope allows for efficient water and snow runoff, reducing the risk of leaks or structural damage. Calculating the dimensions of a pitched roof is crucial to ensure stability. Tools like roof pitch calculators and slope calculators help contractors determine the correct angles, ridge height, and pitch for optimal performance. Factors to consider when choosing a roof. Choosing the right roof for your home depends on several factors. Climate. In areas with heavy rainfall or snow, pitched roofs are ideal. For drier regions, flat roofs may suffice. Span of the roof. For smaller spans, single roofs are cost-effective. For larger spans, double roofs offer better stability. Budget. Simpler designs like single roofs are more affordable but may not suit larger homes. Aesthetic preferences. The roof significantly influences the look of your home. Choose a design that complements your overall style. Roofing, more than just shelter. The roof is more than just the top layer of your home. It's a protective shield, a design element, and a reflection of your style. Whether you choose a single or double roof, understanding its components and functions ensures your home remains safe and beautiful for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the fascinating world of roofs. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great home starts with a strong roof.